Hey everyone, it is March 5th, 2019, time's about 1721 CST. This weekend we switched times for no reason, dumbest concept on earth. And this is just like going to be a quick unboxing. I want to show you some stuff I ordered. There was a GeoFiles episode coming. It is rendering right now, and for some reason it's taking forever. But when I order my field books, I order them, they come in packs of 3. Staple bound, right in the rain. I accidentally ordered engineering ones instead of the usual, geology ones. The difference, I mean, they're same size. I actually prefer the orange, it stands out better, but, this was from Ben Meadows. Ben Meadows is no longer around. They got bought by Forestry something. But anyway, on the insides, the engineering ones are like this. You got lines, but you see the little tiny dots in there, squares, and it's not metric, it's standard. So you have that on both pages, so you can use it as either a graph or a notebook. The geology one just has the lines on this side, and a graph on this side. It doesn't have a combination. Now, I've been using these my entire adult life, and I've grown accustomed to them, but there are times when I will be trying to draw to-scale things on this side because you want to fill a notebook. So I'm going to give these a go. And they may work out better, but we'll see. Anyway, so that's those, pack of 3. We'll have to see how they work out. I'm going to introduce them, I think, after I'm on Midwest Field Outcrops, book 1717. I'll probably start 18 on that. Anyway, I also bought Roadside Geology of Wisconsin. I have finally written a geology roadside book that includes the northeast section of Wisconsin. I actually used to own this book ages ago, and I lent it to somebody and never gave it back. Anyway, so I ordered another one, and I do plan on doing more roadside books about Wisconsin, but I want to avoid areas that are already in here unless they're really good of geologic interest. Because, I mean, this is a nice book and everything, but it's in no way comprehensive. It's impossible to do that. Just like my Ontario series books. I'll link a few of that stuff below if you want. Gesundheit. Was that Ezra? Yeah, right here. Even I think I've written, 5 or 6 Ontario books just around Lake Huron and Superior. And I haven't even probably included, maybe 15% of the outcrops because there's so many and it's so, and there's just so much to look at. But anyway, I digress. So I got another copy of this, but this finally came. I had a part in this. RJ and Jackson did this. I am going to read this. It's paperback. This is the back. And did you see that? Wow. I helped edit chapter 2, which if memory serves in Word, I mean, it wasn't this format, but I think it was 90 pages on that. I don't remember. But anyway, we are looking at, this thing is huge. Oh, excellent. Excluding the index and the awesome references. Let's see here. The references go from about page 605 to page 769. So those are the references. This is the index. This is the book. So the book is over 600 pages, 604. It's going to be a little less than that, probably with the table of contents. Yeah, a little less than that. Cat alert. But around 600 pages, minus a few. It's some hefty reading, but I promise you guys, I will read it as fast as I can, still being able to give a decent critique or review of it, and I will post that when it is done, but I had no idea it was going to be this thick. Good job, guys, seriously. There's the box. Yeah, I think that's, cat alert. I think that's it. I do have more stuff coming. I have a new rock hammer coming. A couple other minor things, I think. Oh, a new hand lens a new lens, like a mini microscope you can actually use in the field. I'm getting one of those coming. But anyway, that's it. I don't want to make this too much past 5 minutes. Anyway, leave some comments or questions below, and have a good day.